today's video, we're going to decorate my Easter table with my Easter DIY projects. If you haven't seen my Easter DIY video, make sure to check it out. I'll link it in the description below. I started off with my sage green table runner and topped it with some garland that I found at Hobby Lobby. On top of the garland, I added my DIY Easter garland. And for some height in the center of my table, I picked up this cake stand that I want to put some other Easter decorations on, and I added my two cute DIY Easter flower arrangements along with these adorable little ceramic bowls that I actually picked up at a garage sale, and I painted them with my Easter colors and stuffed them with some moss and these cute little Easter eggs that I found at Hobby Lobby. I used some of my leftover greenery to help fill in the garland around the table. Next, I added my burlap chargers, and on top of these I added some off-white dinner plates, my linen napkins, and our salad plates. I created these adorable little Easter jars with my guest's name on them, and I stuffed some chocolates that coordinated with my Easter colors and gave them to my guests to take home for a little Easter gift. After I was done setting up the table, it just reminded me of an adorable little Easter egg garden. I absolutely loved how it turned out. Thank you so much for stopping by my channel and decorating with me. Before you go, leave me a comment and let me know what you thought of this video. I just recently started this channel because I truly enjoy decorating for the holidays, and I hope to inspire others as I find so much inspiration from others on YouTube.